Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today I have an Instant Pot video for you. So I have 3 recipes. The first recipe was filmed on my iPhone because I forgot my camera, and the videos got all wonky, so I think I fixed it, but bear with me. And then the next 2 are on my camera. These were all really good recipes, so I hope you try them, and I'll link them in the description box down below. So for the Instant Pot lasagna, I'm gonna first chop up some of this onion and ground beef and then put it on saute. I'm just gonna add in a little scoop of this garlic. So I'm putting fresh garlic, but it's better than nothing. That's cooked, I put in some Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. And I'm just going to mix it around. So then I took out half of the meat mixture, and then I put 1.5 cups of water, and then I layered the noodles on top. And then I'm going to put in the rest and do another layer, and then add the marinara sauce and the cheese. We're also gonna have some garlic bread, so I'm just gonna slice this up and warm it up. Okay, so I got my camera back, so no more iPhone, which is awesome. And I got this fancy light today, so I'm super excited. But today we're making a new recipe that I've heard lots about but I've never tried. That is cracked chicken. So let's get into it. It's again an Instant Pot meal and I'm super excited. It is not healthy, disclaimer, but it's gonna be delicious. Okay, so we're gonna add half a cup of chicken broth. Then I'm gonna put in 3 chicken breasts. This package has 5. So, oh no, it has 4. Ooh, what should we do with that? I'm just gonna put in 2 because there's only 3 of us eating. I'm gonna put in half of this block of cream cheese, and I'm gonna cut it into little bitty, not little bitty, but little squares. Oh my gosh, I just got all this one. So I just cut them into squares. I'm gonna put them in there. And I'm gonna put in some Italian seasoning. It says Greek or Italian, but I love Italian seasoning. And some salt and pepper. And then you're gonna add in just some sprinkles of this ranch seasoning. And again, I love it. So I'm gonna probably put in like half the package. And that's it, and then you turn it on pressure cook for 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna take out the chicken and just shred it on a plate and then put it back in and mix it with everything. Now I'm gonna put in the rest of this bag of cheese, and then half a cup of this Parmesan cheese. And then I'm gonna dump in this bacon that my mother cooked the other night. And then mix it all around. And I just put some garlic bread in the oven, so I'm just gonna put the lid on this and let it all melt, and then we can eat. It smells really good. So tonight we are making a sweet potato and chicken dish. So first I'm gonna push saute and I'm gonna put in some olive oil. And then I'm just gonna let it heat up for about 2 minutes before I add in the rest of the stuff. So I chopped up half an onion and 2 chicken breasts. I'm gonna put that in there and let the onion cook and the chicken brown. So now that that's cooking up, I'm gonna add in pepper and salt, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. It kind of says that you can add in whatever flavors you like. So just do what you want to do. I'll link the recipe down below though if you want to follow what's in there. It's not come out very fast. So once that is cooked up a bit, you're gonna add in your sweet potatoes. I cut up 2 big ones, so probably don't need that many, but that's what I had. And then I'm gonna add in half a cup of water, and then this can of diced tomatoes with the juices in it. So. And I'm just gonna mix it all around. Make sure that you let the juices get to the bottom so that it doesn't turn into burn mode, which is always a pain. I didn't even notice these onions were here. That's good. So then you're just gonna cover the lid and then put it on pressure cook for 10 minutes. Let it go. So now I'm just gonna let it slow release for 10 minutes and then pull the plug. It smells really good. It's all nice and cooked, and I have some garlic bread in that one also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.